Hello everybody, it's Dan here with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and today we're going to be highlighting the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. This vehicle is for sale, so if you're interested in learning more about it, if you have any questions or even want to set up a test drive, we'd love to chat with you about this vehicle or any others that you see on our website. You can always reach us at feldmanimports.com. So in today's video is just going to do a brief overview, kind of highlighting some of the interior and exterior features of this GLC 300. Just showcasing the wheels and some of the badging and whatnot here. And then we'll take a look at the inside here next. Alright, so we've got a black exterior, we've got a black leather interior. Sunroof here stretching from the front to the rear. We do have power memory seats as well as ventilated seats here for both driver and passenger. You get your door and window controls, trunk opening button there. We do have a heated steering wheel, so you'll just rotate this and that'll turn that on there. You got your light controls here, your parking brake. Well, let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage on this vehicle currently at 65,531. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. So you've got a few different functionality here. You've got your volume controls as well as Bluetooth and phone controls to accept or decline a call. We've got paddle shifters on either side. We've got our Mercedes shifter right there. So we'll just flip that up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera here. And flip down for drive and push in for park. Over on this other side here, so we got this home button here, which allows you to, there we go, get in focus. So you can customize your driver interface here. So if you want to, for example, turn on the radio there, then you can easily flip this up and down arrow to switch different radio stations, and so on. Then behind that, we've got our wiper controls and turn signal there. And then you've got cruise controls options right down here. Okay, so coming back to our display, the main way you will control your display is with this dial right here in your center console. So you'll just rotate to make different selections and then push down on the dial to actually make that selection. And you've got a back button to go back. So below your display, we've got our climate control here. Press up to increase temperature, down to decrease, and so on. There's also a menu there that you can open up, which pops up here on your display, so then you can control that using your dial once again. Below climate controls, we've got a CD player, eject button, some quick access buttons for quickly getting to radio or navigation and whatnot. Telephone settings in case you need to make a phone call, and vehicle settings as well. Below that, we've got a cigarette lighter and ashtray there, your cup holders, center console control dial there, as well as our dynamic select switch. So you'll flip this up and down to switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Okay, you can also turn on or off the automatic shut-off feature. Yeah, little center console storage here with some additional USB connections. Just going to turn that off there. I do have a sunroof in this vehicle, so your sunroof control is that button right there. You just flip it backwards to open, flip it forwards to close. Alright, I'll take a look at our rear seats next. Again, this nice dark wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle, black leather seats throughout, sunroof, again front and rear. let's do one more quick peek back up front. And then we'll come around to the rear. We've got our badging here, GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC. Got our power opening and closing trunk. So lots of trunk space back here. One thing I do love about the GLC 300, so we got these switches right here. So you easily just flip that and the rear seats will pop down in case you need a little extra storage. Really nice convenience feature there. And push button to close your trunk. So once again, this is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC in a black exterior with a black leather interior. If you're interested in learning more or want to set up that test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.